Hey folks, welcome back. You know, a few weeks ago I made some Strawberry Cheesecake Crescent Rolls.
They weren't exactly bakery quality.
Yeah, but they tasted pretty good. When I was editing that video, Patti took a look over my shoulder and she said, I can do better.
Today I'm making another dessert with crescent rolls. Apple pie crescent rolls.
Well, that goes with our theme because last week I made the all-American hot dog from scratch. So, hey, what goes better with hot dogs than apple pie?
Baseball.
Baseball. This guy ain't playing baseball. I might buy a Chevrolet though. That's sort of all-American, right?
Yep.
Okay. Patty's running the show today. We're going to see how this goes. I'm hoping it's better than how mine turned out. Let's get in the kitchen and make some apple pie.
Yep. We have some crescent rolls, apple pie filling, cinnamon, brown sugar, white sugar, and butter. Simple. We combine the sugar, the brown sugar, and the cinnamon and stir it together and set it aside.
Whoa! Nice.
I hate that. Oops. These apples are a little big, so we're going to take them out and put them in a bowl and cut them. Let's start.
So this is just pre-bought apple pie filling?
Yes, it is.
Taking some shortcuts, I see.
We want to keep it simple. We're going to take a couple of the apples and put them on the end of each of these triangles.
So is that an isosceles, a right, or what kind of triangle is that?
I think this one would be more of an isosceles because I think they have to have two of the same sides. And then this would be a right angle.
In the comments, let us know if we're right. Well, those are filled up pretty good. Now what are you going to do?
Now we have to roll them up and try and keep the apples inside.
Well, that's where my downfall was with the cheesecake. So let's see how you do.
How's that?
That looks pretty good, actually. A little bit sticking out the side, but hey, that was really good. But let's put this in hyperspeed mode and see you roll all these up, okay?
Okay.
That looks like a fine job.
Well, it looks okay.
Action.
Now we're going to put them on this baking pan that has butter on it.
Are those going to puff up, you think?
I hope so.
I do too.
That apple's being a little big. All right, now we're just going to brush the rest of this butter on the top of the crescent rolls and sprinkle some cinnamon and sugar on the top.
I noticed you use no sugar added pie filling.
Yes.
And now we're throwing all that sugar on top. It's like, let's have a Diet Coke with our Big Mac.
So let's just save the sugar when we can. There.
That's looking really good.
We're going to put them in a 350-degree oven, and we're going to bake them for 18 to 22 minutes.
So we're about halfway through this cooking process, right?
Mm-hmm.
How do you think it's going so far?
Perfect.
I like it that she's doing all this work. And I get the benefits because I get to eat them.
True.
Patty, I think these turned out pretty good.
I think they turned out looking pretty good. We'll see about taste.
You know, with all that sugar on top, how could it be bad, huh? Well, first of all, I really like the crispiness. When I made mine, it didn't turn out very crispy on the bottom. This is really nice. How do you think that turned out that way?
I think between the butter that was on the bottom and the parchment paper, it helped brown it.
Yeah, see, like I said, she's the baker in the family. I think we should give it a try.
All right.
Cheers.
That's good.
That's really good. And so easy, especially for me. I just watched.
Yeah, the apple tastes just perfect. Not too sweet, not tart. And there's crunch on the outside, but it's soft on the inside.
I think that sugar and cinnamon glaze on the top really added to the crispness of it. Oh boy, this is good. Time for another bite. Patty, thank you so much for showing me up. I'll leave the baking to you.
I'll leave the cooking to you.
Last week it was hot dogs. Today, apple pie. What should we do next week? Play baseball.
Or buy a Chevy.
Yeah, this was a nice quick video, a nice quick easy thing to make. I'd highly recommend it. We will have the recipe in the description. I think it was just 4 ingredients, maybe 5. Those crescent rolls make things a lot easier, don't
Yeah, they do.
Thank you so much for watching to the end. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe. And if you wouldn't mind giving us a like and comment below, we'd love reading those comments. Patty, I had a really good day. Did you?
I did.
Hope whatever you guys are doing, you're also having a good day. See you next time.
Bye.